Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all you are well at your home. I am Setu. I am the senior teacher of mathematics, Milestone School and College. We all know we are passing very much tough day for this disease. In the meantime, Milestone School and College initiate a very great process for this online class. This would be very much helpful for you to continue your study at your home. You can look after the online CW and submit your HW in the comment. This is a very much continued process for your study. So let's start today's class. My dear students of class 6, welcome to video class on mathematics. Our today's OCW number 16, chapter 3, integers. Today I am going to discuss all the MCQ from this chapter 3.3 exercise. I discussed all the MCQ with explanation. This would be very helpful for you. You will understand how to answer the MCQ very easily and in a short time. So let's start today's class. Of this lesson, you will be able to solve MCQ from exercise, do addition, do subtraction, do addition with the help of a number line, do subtraction with the help of a number line, explain additive inverse. So, exercise 3.3 MCQ. Number 1. Which of the following is additive inverse expression of minus a? These are the options: plus a, minus a square, 1 by a, minus 1 by a. And you can see the bold option, that is a. A is the answer of this question. So let's see the explanation. At first you have to know the additive inverse. What is additive inverse? The number in the set of real numbers that when added to a given number will yield 0. That means we have to add two number. If we add that two number, we will get the answer is 0. That means it is possible if one number is plus and the other number is minus and they are the same value. So the additive inverse of 2 is minus 2. So in here, additive inverse of minus a is plus a. You can look, minus a is plus a. So next question. The sum of additive inverse number with 12. That means we have to do the sum with the additive inverse of 12. So these are the options. As you can see, this is the answer, the bold one, 0. So let's see the explanation. The sum of additive inverse number with 12 is 12 plus additive inverse of 12. You can see 12 plus additive inverse of 12. Just before you learned that additive inverse of any number is minus. So next, 12 plus minus 12. And if we do without bracket, we have to do plus and minus, that would be minus. Already you learned this thing, sign formula, plus and minus, that would be minus. So from 12, if we subtract 12, we will get 0. This is the answer. So next math, number 3. What is the number in dash? You can see a box, minus 15 equals to minus 10. This is the box, minus 15 equals to minus 10. What is the number in the box? So let's see the options. These are the options, and as I am saying, this bold mark is the answer, and in the book this answer is wrong. So I make it right in here. Explanation: there is no correct answer in book. So box minus 15 equals to minus 10, or by side chance we have to take this box in one side and we have to make the side change of minus 15, and we know if we change any side of the number we have to change the sign also. So minus 10 and minus 15, it would be plus 15, and we know plus and minus, minus and plus, that would be minus. So from 15 we have to subtract 10. These are the thing, plus and minus equals to minus. So from 15 if we subtract 10 we will get 5, and the sign will be the bigger number sign. You can see in here 15 is the bigger number than 10, so the sign of number 15 is plus in here, so we will give plus sign. So box equals to plus 5 is our desired answer. Next, number 4. Answer question number 4 and 5 using information below. So let's see the information. Minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 are 3 integers. So the sum of the number 4 question, the sum of additive inverse of second number with the first number, you can see in here the second number is minus 8 and the first number is minus 7. The sum of additive inverse of second number with the first number is, these are the options, the answer will be 1. Let's see the explanation. The additive inverse of second number equals to plus 8, because in here they said the sum of additive inverse of second number. That's why we have to find out the additive inverse of second number. The additive inverse of second number is plus 8 because this number is minus 8. So additive inverse is just the opposite, plus 8. So the sum equals to plus 8 plus minus 7, because we have to make the sum inverse of second number with the first number. First number is minus 7. So next line, plus 8 minus 7, because plus and minus, that would be minus, and this in here plus and minus, that would be minus. So from plus 8 we have to subtract minus 7, then we will get plus 1, because we have to give the sign in here plus, because the bigger number sign is plus in here. Exercise 3.3. Next math. Answer question number 4 and 5 using information below. Minus 7, minus 8 and minus 9 are 3 integers. So number 5 question, if the sum of additive inverse of first and third number is added to the second number, it becomes A. Let's see. These are the options. The answer will be A greater than minus 90. So let's see the explanation. Additive inverse of first number is plus 7 additive inverse of third number is plus 9. We have to make the sum of the three numbers, this plus 7 plus 9 and with plus minus 8. So this is the sum, plus 7 plus 9 plus minus 8, because the second number will not be changed. So let's see the, so plus 7 plus and plus, that would be plus 9, plus and minus, that would be minus 8. Plus 7 and plus 9, we have to add these two first, 9 and 7, it would be 16, plus and minus, that would be minus. So plus 7 and plus 9 equals to plus 16. And from plus 16 and minus 8, if we subtract, we will get plus 8, because plus and minus, that would be minus, and the sign will be the bigger number sign. In here bigger number is 16 and the number of the sign of the number 16 is plus, you can see. So if we compare this plus 8 with all the numbers in here, we get plus 8 greater than minus 90. So a greater than minus 90. So this is our desired answer. So next math, number 6. If a equals to 45 minus 11 and b equals to 57 plus minus 4. So number 1, a equals to 56, number 2, b equals to minus 53, a minus b equals to 3. So you have to check all these three options, that which option is right in here. So which one is correct? So these are the option, and you see this bold one, 1 and 3 is the desired answer. So let's check the options. Explanation given, a equals to 45 minus 11. So 45 plus 11, because minus and minus, that would be plus. So 45 plus 11, it would be 56. As you can see, a equals to 56 is right in here. Next, b equals to 57 plus minus 4. So this is the thing, plus and minus, that would be minus. So from 57 we have to subtract minus 4. So we will get plus 53, because plus, why is this plus in here? Because the bigger number sign is plus in here. So you can see b equals to minus 53 in here, and we get plus 53. So this number b, this option is not correct. Let's find out a minus b. So we got in here a equals to 56 and b equals to plus 53, and we have to subtract between them. So 56 and the sign plus and minus, that would be minus 53. So from 56, if we minus 53, we will get plus 3. This is the desired answer. So my dear student, number 7, in the marked place below, you can see the marked place. Number 1 option, non-negative integer. Number 2, all prime numbers. Number 3, all even numbers. So which one is correct in here? So let's see the options. These are the options, and the answer in here 1 and 2. Let's see the explanation. In the marked place numbers are non-negative integers and all prime numbers. So 1 and 2 is the answer in here. So next math, number, answer questions 8 and 9 using the following information. You can see the following information. There is a roof, and between them there is a ground floor, and after that there is a go down. So we know above ground floor it would be positive and below ground floor it would be negative. So number 8 question, what type of number is the one that represents the ground floor? As you can see, 0 represents the ground floor. These are the options: A negative, B non-negative, C odd, and D prime. So the answer is B, the bold part, non-negative. Why? Let's see the explanation. From figure, you can see the ground floor represents the number 0, and you will always know the 0 is a non-negative number. You have to learn it very well. 0 is a non-negative number. This question can come in another MCQ. 0 is a non-negative number or negative number or positive or something else. So you have to remember 0 is non-negative number. So let's see the next question. Answer question 8 and 9 using the following information. Already you saw this figure. So what is the question number 9? Going up 3 stairs from the ground floor and then to move down 5 stairs from there. So these are the options: -8, -2. -2 is the desired answer because this is the bold part. Let's see the explanation. Going up 3 stairs, that means +3. We know if we going up from the ground floor it would be plus, and then to move down 5 stairs from there, and if we move down then we have to mark the number negative. So +3 plus -5, and if we get the result that would be the desired result. So +3 and this plus and minus, that would be -5. So +3 and -5, plus and minus, that would be minus. So we have to subtract 3 from 5. Let's see, -2 is a desired answer. Plus and minus, that would be minus. And why it is minus sign here? Because the bigger number sign is minus in here. That's why the result is minus in here. So my dear students, next math, exercise 3.3, find the difference. So number 10 question, we have to find out the differences. Number A, 35 minus 20. So from 35 we have to subtract 20, and this is the answer, plus 15. Why it is plus in here? Because the bigger number sign is plus in here, and we will do subtraction because plus and minus, that would be minus. So plus 15 is the desired answer. Next math, 72 minus 90. In here bigger number is 90 and this number sign is minus. So -18 is the desired answer because the bigger number sign is minus in here. So number C question, -15 minus -18. So this is the -15 and minus, that would be plus 18. So plus and minus, that would be minus. We have to subtract 15 from 18. So we will get plus 3. Why it is plus? Because the bigger number sign is plus in here. So number D, -20 minus 13. So -20 and -13. So minus and minus, that would be plus. So we have to do addition between these two. So if we added 20 and 13, we will get 33, and the sign will be minus because the bigger number sign in here is minus. So 20 is the bigger number and this number sign is minus here, so answer in minus in here. Number E, 23 minus 12. So minus plus 23 and minus that would be plus 12. So plus 23 and plus 12, we will do addition in here. We get plus 35, which is our desired answer. So, my dear students, you learned all the MCQ from this chapter. Our OSW number today 16, and you have to do page number 82, example 1, 2 and 3, and you have to submit in the comment section. So in this tough situation, I hope you will be all well at home. Please stay at home and stay safe and pray for everybody. So for now, enough for today. We will meet again with new maths. For then, I am Setu. I am the senior teacher of mathematics. Assalamu alaikum.